20 Home Remedies Everyone Should Know. The healthcare teams at CureJoy, an online health and wellness advice platform that uses advice based on natural and proven alternative medicine disciplines, gave their 20 remedies you can do at home to get and stay healthy. Here are what everyone should know. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Having pomegranates juice daily is good for the heart and useful for people suffering from low blood pressure. 2. One natural treatment for acidity is chewing a few basil, tulsi, leaves after a meal. This not just works as an antacid as it helps the body absorb food but also prevents reflux and the formation of ulcers. 3. Sucking a piece of clove after a meal helps in reducing the acidity problems. 4. A flake of garlic swallowed with water taken empty stomach daily in the morning can be helpful in solving many stomach and gastric problems. 5. A headache caused by summer heat is cured by consuming watermelon juice. Just 1 glass a day works wonders. 6. Eating an apple on an empty stomach in the morning relieves one of migraine pain. This must be done for a few mornings. I have been a migraine patient for the past 10 years and this one worked most for me. 7. Open 6 dates and boil in ½ liter of milk for 25 minutes over low heat. Drink 3 cups a day. This is the ultimate dry cough remedy. 8. Mix 2 teaspoons of honey with an equal quantity of ginger juice. The concoction helps to expectorate mucus, providing relief for the common cold, coughs and sore throat. 9. Eat, before breakfast, ½ cup of cooked beets if you suffer from chronic constipation or indigestion. 10. Ayurveda cough syrup at home. Peel and chop 6 medium onions. Put the pieces in a container and add 4 tablespoons of honey. Cover and leave them in a water bath over low heat for 2 hours. Strain and take 1 tablespoon every 3 hours. 11. Grated cucumber applied over the face, eyes, and neck for 15 minutes is very beneficial for acne and blackheads. 12. A simple remedy for anemia or iron deficiency: pound 3 to 4 soft dates with milk and add a little ghee in it. Eating this mixture will help to prevent anemia. 13. Home remedy to cure dark circles: tomato paste is one of the most effective remedies for dark circles. You can make it easily at home. Take 1 or 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch of gram flour and turmeric powder. Blend these ingredients nicely until they become a thick paste and apply it very gently around your eyes. Rinse it off gently with clean water after 10 or 20 minutes. Repeating this process twice or thrice every week will make your skin tone around your eyes lighter and will eventually make your dark circles go away completely. 14. Best natural remedy for a sore throat is to gargle with turmeric and salt. Mix ½ cup of warm water, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon powdered turmeric. After you gargle, don't drink or eat anything for at least ½ an hour for the salt and turmeric to do their job of killing bacteria. You can repeat this as often as you need throughout the day. 15. A drop garlic juice into your ear helps to relieve the pain of an ear infection. 16. A mixture of baking soda and lemon juice applied underarms will reduce body odor. 17. Add a few fennel seeds in a pot of hot water, and then boil it for 5 minutes on a low temperature. Strain the solution and then drink it. You can also chew the fresh fennel leafy plants if you can bear the taste. Else you can take a mixture of fennel, cardamom and mint leaves and boil them in water to make a concoction that can help during stomach gas. This is a very effective home remedy for gas and bloating. 18. Lemon is one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, and it also contains nutrients like vitamin B, riboflavin, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. Lemon juice with warm water can also help eliminate waste in your system and serve as a liver tonic. Daily intake of lemon water has several health benefits. It keeps your stomach healthy, acts as a cure for nausea, heartburn, indigestion, high blood pressure, stress, and depression. 19. When you suffer from a hangover, a banana milkshake with honey can give you immense relief. Cold milk soothes the stomach lining and bananas with honey build up depleted blood sugar levels. 20. Home Remedies treatment for a cough. For a severe cough, mix tulsi juice with garlic juice and honey. A teaspoon of this mixture is taken once every 3 hours will treat excessive coughing. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.